If I had to ask myself a simple question as to why do I love you, here's what I'd say. My life has never been the same since you snuggled your way into it. I fall in love with you again every single day. I love you because you're stronger than you would ever know. And I could quite literally go on all day. I feel like every great thing I've ever done has either been because of you or for you. Even with the cherished past experiences and memories we've shared, that's not the reason why I love you. I'm proud of the woman you have become today. You pick me up in my lowest moments, cheer me on my highest triumphs. You pray with me and want the best out of me. You guide me in truth and encourage me in the right direction. I love that we can talk about anything as life partners and share moments of unstoppable laughter followed by gasping for air. It's the simple things in life that make me love you. There's not a person I hold of higher value. There are emotions that you make me feel that I still cannot explain. My life is better with you in it, and I can't wait to celebrate our lives together. Marriage doesn't make me love you any more than I already do, but I choose to marry you and demonstrate my love to you and God. Words may never describe what you mean to me, but my actions will.
Of all the love letters and heartfelt cards we'd ever written, this one here struck the biggest nerve. I vow to love you for all my days, through all God has in store over our lives, and demonstrate my words through my actions. This is the wedding day that has come into fruition since the day we met.
Close your eyes and jump into our wildest dreams.
Tonight is a celebration, and we can honestly say that raising you and watching you stand before Merion today is an absolute dream come true. Jayden has given us many gifts, but the best by far is you. We love you. You were not born into our family, but you were destined to be a part of it. Jayden, this afternoon you married your childhood sweetheart. That is incredible, and you found your perfect soulmate. May you continue to shower Merion with love, cherish and protect her. And know, Jayden, that you are truly loved.
Into our wildest dreams, our wildest dreams. Do you believe that there's something to see? Follow me into our wildest dreams.
My love, dating you has been a wild and glorious adventure. You offer a gentle strength and stability in my life, and yet keep me on my toes. People say after 2 years or your first fight that you leave the honeymoon phase, but after 5 years and very real challenges, I think I'm qualified to compliment your steadfast character, love for the Lord and for other people. It has me falling in love with you and you every single day. I promise to be your shoulder to cry on, your hand to hold, your confidant and your #1 hype girl. I promise to stay curious, to ask questions, and to seek to get to know your heart of hearts. I promise to pray for you and with you, to ensure the decisions we make together honour God, love others, and develop our character as one. Now, I love you.
Follow me into our wildest dreams, our wildest dreams. Do you believe?
Merion, I love you. Of all the people you've met on your journey and all the places you've been, even by coming to Australia, somehow in some way, you and I stand here on this very day with me. It is the most powerful and humbling reality, because my life has never been the same since I met you as a kid in City Point. From this day forward, I vow to love you always, to serve you, to support you, to learn compassion with you. I promise to pray with you and for you, listen to you, share myself with you, challenge you and worship God in unison. I vow to uphold you with His strength within me, to lean on you when I am weak, and to forgive you and seek forgiveness from you.
Do you believe?
So, by the authority that is mine as a minister of the gospel of Jesus Christ, I now pronounce you husband and wife.
Big, big life. Living that big, big life. Living that big, big life. Living that big, big life.
I couldn't have asked for a more caring, attentive and hard-working young man to entrust with my daughter's care. I'm so blessed to have you as a ready-made son, and thank you to Sean and Kayleen for all you've invested in Jayden to become the very special man he is. May your future be blessed, and I cannot wait for the next chapter in all of our lives. And there will always be plenty of chicken and salad at 40 Enzyme if you want to drop by.
All night, I do it big, living the life. Let's go, let's fly. I do it big, living the life. Big, big life. Living that big, big life. Living that big, big life.
When Tony first started talking about saunas, I can distinctly remember thinking, why does this dude want me to get into a hot steamy room with him? These 6 other half-naked men who were drenched in sweat, I can genuinely remember thinking maybe this guy was a little bit confused. For Jayden's Bucks weekend, he insisted on the hotel having a sauna. When we got there, I distinctly remember Tony looking at me with this naughty but curious look in his eye. I knew from experience what that look meant. We then all got together and made our way up to the sauna, only to find out it had a maximum capacity of 4 people. Now it was tight, but we managed to somehow fit 10 dudes in there. To finish this off, Jados, you now have a beautiful wife and best friend sitting right next to you, bro. And that will be there with you for the rest of your life. And we can't wait to hear all the good memories you both make when you get back. Cheers to Jayden Merion.
It's gonna be a show. Let me help you understand. 'Cause you don't even know. Get out your seat, come on and dance. Let me show you how I do.
So 5 years, 4 weeks, 3 days, and let's see, 16 minutes of dating. Let's lift the party to another level. You are now married, and we couldn't all be happier for you.
Big life. Living that big, big life. Living that big, big life. Living that big, big life. Just keep it coming, coming. Yeah, leave it running, running. You know I love it, so keep it thumping, thumping. I hear it humming, humming. Yeah, leave it